Hello YouTube. This got free and I will explain you today why I took this sell. And this sell trade you can check on my Twitter and the link you will get on the bio. Okay. So let me delete this and so we can London Open. This is the London Open. Yes. Okay. So let me delete this. So, okay, without wasting our time, let's start. Okay, if you see here, this is the 7 a.m. Okay, we have to mark candle high. Let me change the color. It's the candle high, this is the candle low. So now, if you see this candle start here, goes up and went up and didn't close above the previous candle high. Okay, this is the I think Monday. Monday also I took a buy. If you check my Twitter. But I am going to explain you today's trade. So this is the range I mark for higher time frame. So today we have 6 hour. So yes, okay. So if you see here, this is the 5 a.m. candle of Tuesday. Tuesday, okay. If you see here, there's no candle who close above this previous candle. Okay, this is the bearish candle. This candle didn't break and close previous candle high. Also, this candle didn't uh, close above the previous candle high. So there's a high indication that we have activated this 7 hour range and we have drawdown liquidity here. So there's a high probability price will go down. Second, if you check on 5 hour time frame, yes, this is the 5 hour time frame, this 7 hour, this is a 22, this is a 3 hour. 5 hour time frame, this is yeah, this candle started here. Okay, we can mark candle high and candle low. So this range got activated here and this candle fill this range. Okay, perfect. But our bias is bearish. Okay, so we have to look for sell opportunity. So let's go to 2 hour time frame. So now if you check here, let me rewind this. This is the 3 a.m. candle. Okay, so now if you see here that this candle, this 2 hour candle, let me go to on 1 hour time frame. This 2 hour candle saved this low. What is the mean? Do we anticipate for bullish move? No, we will not anticipate the bullish move. Why? Because we have this 5 hour range activated and this candle didn't close above this 5 hour range. This is the 5 hour range high. It didn't close above the 5 hour range. Okay, so we cannot look for sale. Also, if you see this 1 hour candle, this candle goes down, went down, and close under this range. So we don't need to go for buy entry. We have to wait for sell opportunity. Okay, because our bias is bearish. Second, what we have to do, we have to wait for 3 a.m. because 3 a.m. is a London Open. Simple thing. 3 a.m. and we have to see how candle is going to form. We can open PO3 to check how first candle. Okay, this is the 3 a.m. candle started. Okay, First, it didn't create a wick. I always said price first has to create a wick and then create a body. That's that's how candle is going to form. Every candle first create a wick and then create a body. So now we have to wait for price to create a wick. Okay, so let me forward this. Okay, if you see here that this candle goes up and create a wick, means there's a high prob. Also, we got turtle soup here. There's a high probability price will start going down. Also on DXY, what we got here 255. Yes, this is the 3M candle. Where is the 3M candle? Yeah, this is the 3M candle. Okay, goes down. If you see here, this is the 3M candle, and DXY didn't sweep this high. Okay, also if you see on euro, it swept previous candle high. So we have small confirmation for SMT. So now price create a wick. We have turtle soup here. So what we have to do, we have to execute sell entry, and we can target 1 is to 2. Basically I execute here because as this candle created turtle soup and we got confirmation on DXY, then I thought there's a good chance to, so we can go for sell. We can execute here also. Now look at the price, and I will show you where I close my position because we have New York news. This is high impact news, so it's better to close on 7 a.m. So yes, not here. I think when 7 a.m. started. Yeah, this is the 7 a.m. started. So I close as the 7 a.m. candle started. This is a 3 hour trade. Okay. So your job is to always wait for how candle is going to form. The first point you have to understand, find your bias, check your higher time frame, and then you can go for session where you have volume. Okay. After after that, you have to check how candle is going to form and wait for first 15 minute or first 10 minute. When you got confirmation, then you can execute the trade. Okay, thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye bye.